Everyone, this is one questions of 2015 based on the permutation, combination and probability. It's a basic questions. Let's study the question what they are saying. It is saying 12 people form a club, means there is one club, right? This club is formed by 12 people, right? Suppose this is 12 people, 1 6 7 8 9 10 11 12, right? These are the people, so every people is different, right? Let's some name is A B C D E F G H I J K L, means all the people are different, because here is a people, no any people is common, right? Everyone have different name, everyone has different identity, right? Then we will move to the next line. By picking lots, one of them will host a dinner for all once in a month. Means in the club what is happening, basically from the lots, means you can say the lottery system, right? So, means suppose there is one lottery system in which there are 12 we can say lottery. In each of the lottery, the name of the person is written, like suppose A B C D E F G H I J K L, right? Every person name is written in the lottery, and this is one closed box, right? Means it is from this box, every month one, you can say one lottery or one ticket is removed, right? On that ticket, whatever the name of the person, if the name of the person is F, then F will give party to all the 12 people, right? But there is a condition that one person will host party only once in a month, right? Once in a month, means he can't give one more than one party in a month, right? Hope till this part it is clear, right? Now let's explore further. The number of dinners a particular member has to host one in a host in 1 year, right? Means what the question is asking, ki number of dinners, right? Dinners you can say, or party, the one person can host in a year. One person can host in a year, right? Based on the option, if you see there is option 1 2 1 0 3 and can't be determined, right? Suppose in 1 month, the name of the first month, you can say first month, let F came, right? You can say first month F came in the ticket, right? In lottery, first month the name of let F came in a lottery, right? So second month also it can be possible that the same F came in a lottery, right? In third month also it may be possible that the same person name will come, right? Means every month from this box one ticket is coming, right? So it can also be possible that 4 month the same person name will become. So we can't determine, right? So they are saying for in 1 year, in 12 month. So they are saying in 12 month, maximum how many times a person can, maximum they are not saying maximum, means the number of dinner a particular member to host in 1 year. In 1 year, how many times that F can be host, it will depend, right? It will from the option we can't say one, you can't from the option we can't say it is 1 or 0 or 3 or means this thing we can't say from the option, right? So the correct option of this questions is can't be determined. You cannot determine in 1 year how many times one person can host a party. It can be host one times, might be the person names can't become in any year, this can also be possible, right? This is one case what I am saying, right? The based on the option you can eliminate this, all these three options. The correct option is can't be determined. Thanks.